Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError float object is not subscriptable. The error message, TypeError float object is not subscriptable, occurs when you try to access or modify a specific element of a floating point number using square brackets. For example, the following code will produce this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this code, we're trying to access the first element of the float variable x, which is not allowed because floats are not subscriptable. Subscriptable means that you can access specific elements of a data type using square brackets, like you can with lists or strings. To fix this error, make sure you are not trying to access a specific element of a float. If you need to store a collection of numbers that you can index, use a list or an array instead of a float. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.